Hello, let me welcome you to this topic on three topic: human digestive system. Human digestive system. Without wasting much of your time, let's get started. Now, as you know, the human body requires energy and nutrients to grow, to repair tissues, and to carry out daily activities. However, most of the food we eat is in complex forms that the body cannot use directly. So the human digestive system is responsible for breaking down this food into simple soluble substances that can be absorbed into the bloodstream. So this one gives us the definition of digestion. Digestion is the process by which complex food substances are broken down to simple compounds that are easily absorbed into the bloodstream. Actually, the digestive system consists of a long tube which is called the alimentary canal. So when we say alimentary canal, it starts from the mouth up to the anus. So this one is alimentary canal, along with associated organs such as the liver and the pancreas. Okay, so these organs are also involved in the digestion process. Okay, so types of digestion. We have mechanical digestion, which is the physical breaking down and involves chewing and churning. Another one is chemical digestion. The chemical digestion, this one is breaking down using enzymes. When we say digestive enzymes actually they are chemical substances produced in the alimentary canal to speed up the breaking of complex food substances into simpler food substances that can easily be absorbed into bloodstream. Complex food substances, an example of complex food substances, we have starch, we have protein, we have lipids. Okay, so these ones are complex food substances and are found in large molecules that are not soluble in water. As such, the enzymes act on these substances, causing them to break into simpler soluble substances that can be easily absorbed through the walls of the alimentary canal into bloodstream. Okay, let us just look at the importance of digestive enzymes. In short, number one, helps digest food faster. Number two, allow nutrients to be absorbed into blood. Number three, ensure the body gets energy and building material. These digestive enzymes are found in digestive juices, and these digestive juices include saliva, gastric juice, pancreatic juice, and intestinal juices. So we are going to look each one of these separately. Let's start with the saliva. Saliva, this one is produced by salivary glands, and it contains salivary amylase, which is also called pectin. This salivary amylase breaks down starch to maltose in the mouth. That is about saliva. Number two, gastric juice. Gastric juice is produced by gastric glands, and it contains pepsin as well as renin. So pepsin breaks down proteins to peptides, while renin breaks down a milk protein called casein in children to carcinogen. So renin breaks down the casein to carcinogen. That is about gastric juice. Another one is pancreatic juice. This one is produced by pancreas, and it contains pancreatic amylase, proteases. This protease, an example of protease is trypsin, and it also contains lipase. Okay, so pancreatic amylase breaks down undigested starch to maltose, while lipase breaks down the fats or the lipids to fatty acids and glycerol. That is about pancreatic juice. Another one is intestinal juice. Intestinal juices, these ones are produced in the lining of the small intestine by intestinal glands. Actually, they help finish the digestion of food before absorption. These intestinal juices are also called succus entericus in Latin. Okay, but if you want to pronounce it in English, succus entericus. Latin, succus entericus. So these intestinal digestions, we have sucrase, mates, lactase, peptides, lipase. Sucrase acts on sucrose, and the final product of sucrose is glucose and fructose. Another one is mates. Mates acts on maltose. The final product of maltose is glucose. Okay. Another one is lactase. Lactase acts on lactose. The final product of lactose is glucose and galactose. Another one is peptides. Peptides act on peptides. The final product of polypeptides is amino acids. And the last one is lipase. Lipase acts on lipids. The final product of lipids is fatty acids and glycerol. So that is about digestive enzymes. Next topic or next lesson will be properties of digestive enzymes. Properties of digestive enzymes. Thank you very much.